Hey everybody, Wildman Willie here playing Carolla Doctor, and I'm pretty sure we got a classic bad starter in this one. So if we get this one open, put a key in. Got good electricity, that's the wrong key. I don't like that one. This one goes in, and it does shut off the security light, so that's happy. And then I go to engage starter. Whole thing just goes to the ground. I believe that starter's totally smoked because, again, I got fast blowing fans. I got good window speed. I got good headlights. So, most likely, starter time in a Carolla. Another day, another dollar. Here we go.